Hello, let us solve this expression together. It's Olympiad Mathematics. So it says solve the equation root x squared minus 4x plus 13 plus 1 equals 2x. Now, note this one is not under the root. So to solve this, let us at first transfer this whole number to the other side such that we have root on the side and we have whole number on the side. Therefore, this becomes x squared minus 4x plus 13 equals 2x minus 1. Now let us square the both sides such that we find a way to eliminate the roots that we have here. Therefore, x squared minus 4x plus 13 raised to power 2 equals 2x minus 1 raised to power 2. Therefore, this will cancel this, and our expression becomes x squared minus 4x plus 13 equals 2x minus 1, and this is 2x minus 1. Now we can open this bracket so that we have a linear equation that we can deal with. Therefore, x squared minus 4x plus 13, that's 2x multiplied by 2x, that's 4x raised to power 2. This gives us minus 2x, this gives us minus 2x, and this gives us plus 1. If we add them together, x squared minus 4x plus 13 equals 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Let us collect the like terms together. Everything that we have here, let us bring it to this side. Therefore, 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus x squared plus 4x minus 13 equals 0. Now, let us collect the like terms. 4x squared minus x squared minus 4x plus 4x plus 1 minus 13 equals 0. So 4x squared minus x squared, that is 3x raised to power 2. 4x minus 4x plus 4x will be cancelled out. 1 minus 13, that gives us minus 12 equals 0. Divide this entire expression by 3 by the coefficient of x squared such that we have a linear, a more quadratic equation that we can. Therefore, this becomes x squared minus 4 equals 0. Now we can write this in different of two squares, that is x squared minus 2 raised to power 2 equals 0. Therefore, this can become x minus 2 and x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals, therefore, x equals 2, or x equals minus 2. So the solution for this expression is when x equals 2 or when x equals minus 2. Let us quickly do a check to see whether we are. Let us check for 2. So if we substitute 2, that will be 4. That will be minus 8 plus 13 plus 1 equals to 4. So it must give us 4, whatever we get here. Let us check. 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 13, that is 9. 9 plus 1. So this is, what is square root of 9? That is 3 plus 1. So that is 4. So this is 4. Definitely our solution is correct. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have any question, please put it in the comment section. For any question, please put it in the comment section. And Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Till I see you next time. Thank you very much for watching, and please be good.